Hi everyone. Megan and I decided that we would do video announcements along with email announcements each week because we want to be able to share stuff that we're learning about it from our end, and who knows, maybe you all will do some screen captures and we can share those as we go along too. So in this one, it's more reminder. So you have the long email to pile through, and when in your spare time, we know we're all crunch at the end of the semester. But I wanted to quickly remind you, so we're in Megan's right now, so yours should look a lot like this. If you click on ePortfolio, and on the left, that please notice that there's an April 15th and April 15th work due, and remember there's the week deadline. But we did update them, so if you double click on the folder, it opens the folder, and now there's a reflection assignment connected to that. And so again, if I double click on this one, there's also a reflection assignment. So basically that reminds you that you will be doing the actual assignment, and then remember, type it up in a Word document, then over here above the menu, click that upload button, and you might have to move it into the folder. And do the same thing. And so when you do the portfolio assignment, you'll do the exact same thing. You'll upload it and move it into the folder. I do want to quickly remind you that notice on the page here, personalize this folder. Personalize this folder is not the submission of the work. If you do that, it's stuff that that eventually is not shown in a space where you can use the rubrics. And I know we're not using those yet. We're going to build to that because that's time, energy on our end, and we're just trying to get you set up. So make sure you distinguish between personalize this folder. I think of that more as an aesthetic, that you want to make the folder have a cover page or something like that. But the content that's being assessed long term is stuff that you want to upload or compose, and we've decided that probably right now uploading is the way that you want to go with that, but we'll continue to play with it as a group. I did want to show you, notice that there's the folder that says April 22nd, and I don't know if you remember that during the workshop there was, I kept struggling with one that said kind of empty, or I forget exactly what it said. Well, I could never get rid of that folder. Oop, okay, so now I'm showing you, this is my end, and so what I ended up doing was retitling the folder. But what's really interesting, when I click on this folder, up here in the title area in the center, I get PX templates, and you all, if we click on it, you get the title. So all that to say is it looks good from the student end, but clearly we know there's some type of glitch, and that's why I couldn't erase it. So it'll be interesting to see if this folder causes any grief for us. The last thing I just wanted to remind you that we're asking that you both upload into your portfolio that's associated with quote-unquote the course or the workshop, but also if you hit above the menu bar the little teal colored icon that looks like a flower or a sunburst, and copy. And so we're asking that you also copy your submissions over to your workshop, your public workshop, your presentation, public workshop portfolio, and then hit copy selected. I'm not going to do that for Megan because that's how everyone will see that. And basically in your email, you'll get this link to a spreadsheet here that has everybody's URLs on it. And so that's how you'll be able to go read one another's portfolios. So thanks a bunch for hanging with us, and we look forward to reading and learning about assessment and ePortfolios together.